Before you upload your very first video, there are 30 powerful YouTube settings that determine whether your channel grows or gets buried. Most new creators skip these, and it costs them views, subscribers, and monetization, but not you. Today, I'll show you the exact settings you must activate before launching your channel so you can grow with confidence and clarity. Welcome back, family. I'm Froxana, and I help creators and learners elevate in education, finance, personal development, and digital growth. If you're ready to build a smart professional YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Section 1, Channel Identity Settings. Let's start by building a strong foundation for your brand. These first steps are crucial for how viewers will discover and perceive your channel. First up, number 1, channel name. Choose a name that reflects your brand instantly. It should be simple, clear, and searchable. Think about your niche. A name like Finance with Felix is much more effective than Felix's fun videos. Next, number 2, channel handle your unique username. This makes your channel easier to find across search and social media. For brand consistency, try to secure the same handle everywhere. Number 3, profile picture. Use a clean, high-quality headshot or a distinct logo. This is your online face, the first visual connection you make with your audience. Moving on to number 4, channel banner. This is your billboard. Add your brand colors, niche, and upload schedule so viewers know what to expect and when. And finally, number 5, channel description. Don't overlook this. Use SEO keywords to improve discoverability. In the first few lines, tell viewers who you help and what transformation you create for them. Section 2, Channel Optimization Settings. Now let's dive into the back end of your channel to fine-tune some crucial settings. These optimizations are quick to implement but have a long-term impact on your channel's discoverability and efficiency. 1. Channel keywords inside YouTube Studio. Go to Settings, then Channel. This is where you tell YouTube what your channel is about. Add 5-10 high-level keywords that describe your entire niche. Think broad terms like passive income strategies or beginner guitar lessons. This helps the algorithm categorize your channel and recommend it to the right viewers. 1. Branding watermark. This is a clickable subscribe button that appears on all your videos. Upload your logo or a custom subscribe icon and set its display time to entire video. It's a simple, non-intrusive way to convert viewers into subscribers. 1. Default upload settings. This is a massive time saver. Instead of adding the same social media links, affiliate disclosures, or calls to action to every video description, you can pre-fill them here. Set up a template once and it will automatically apply to all future uploads. 1. Video category under advanced settings in your upload defaults. Choose a category that best fits your content, like education, how to and style, or people and blogs. This gives YouTube another crucial signal for classifying your content and grouping it with similar videos, boosting its chances of being suggested. 1. Custom thumbnails. You must enable this feature, which usually requires phone verification. Your thumbnail is the single most important factor for your click-through rate. It's your video's billboard. A great thumbnail makes a promise and creates curiosity, compelling viewers to click. Section 3, Visibility and Security 11. Video visibility. Choose public, private, unlisted, or scheduled. Scheduling is a great way to stay consistent. 12. 2-factor authentication required for monetization and account security. 13. Permissions roles ad editors, designers, or managers without giving away full control. 14. Feature eligibility. Turn on features like styles of live streaming, longer uploads, custom thumbnails, external links. 15. Copyright and content ID. Make sure you set your rules for reuse content, music, or disputed claims. Section 4, Upload Quality and User Experience. Now let's focus on the details that elevate your channel from good to great. These settings directly impact how viewers perceive your content and how easily they can consume it. which is a huge factor for the algorithm. 1. High quality upload default. First impressions matter. Always upload in the highest resolution possible, ideally 1080p or 4K. This ensures your content looks professional on any device. No blurry videos allowed. It's a simple switch that signals quality to both viewers and YouTube. 1. Chapters and timestamps. Break your videos into logical sections. This helps viewers navigate your content to find exactly what they need, improving their experience. As a bonus, YouTube loves this for SEO, often displaying your chapters directly in search results. 1. Subtitles and closed captions. Enable automatic captions, but don't stop there. Always review and edit them for accuracy. This small effort makes your content accessible to a wider audience and significantly boosts your search ranking, as YouTube can better understand your video's topic. 1. Playlists. Don't let your videos be standalone islands. Organize your content into themed playlists. Whether it's finance, math tutorials, or personal development, playlists encourage binge watching, which dramatically increases your session watch time. 1. End screens and cards. The last 20 seconds of your video are prime real estate. Use end screens and cards to create a clear call to action. Strategically guide viewers to your next video, a relevant playlist, or that all-important subscribe button. Don't let your audience drift away. Section 5, Community and Interaction Settings 21. Comment moderation, protect your space. Set filters for inappropriate comments or spam. 22. Community settings, add moderators, block trolls, approve regular commenters. 23. Shorts remix settings, decide whether people can use clips of your videos inside their shorts. 24. External links. 25. Live streaming settings, set latency. Chat rules and moderators if you plan to go live. Section 6. Growth, Analytics and Monetization 26. Analytics dashboard setup, track your watch time, CTR, audience retention, and traffic sources. 27. Notifications settings, control how often subscribers receive alerts when you upload. 28. Monetization defaults, once eligible, set. Add format preference, classment, revenue options. 29. License type, choose standard YouTube license to protect your content. 30. Link your AdSense account. When you master these 30 settings, your channel is no longer a hobby. It becomes a professional, polished, growth-ready platform. YouTube success is not just about posting videos. It's about setting up a strong foundation that supports your vision for years to come. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more digital growth tips, and drop a comment. I'm ready for my YouTube breakthrough.